I am ready, mate. And now, we are going to discuss a very important law. Avogadro's law. The balloons all have the same volume. This means they all contain the same number of molecules. Avogadro's law states that equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules. For a given mass of an ideal gas, the volume and amount or moles of the gas are directly proportional if the temperature and pressure are constant. His hypothesis was rejected by other scientists. It only gained acceptance after his death. It is now called Avogadro's law. He was also the first scientist to realize that elements could exist in the form of molecules rather than an individual atom. In 1811, Avogadro published a paper in Journal de Physique, the French journal of physics. He said that the best explanation for Guy Lussac's observations of gas reactions was that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contains equal number of molecules. This is now called the Avogadro's law. We breathe because of Avogadro's law. Among others, the lungs expand so more gas particles can enter the lungs from outside air, or inhaling. Then the lungs contract, so the waste gas particles are expelled, or exhaling. The balloon filled with helium weighs much less than an identical balloon filled with air. Avogadro's law implies that equal volumes contain equal number of molecules when pressure and temperature are held constant. Since both balloons contain the same number of molecules, and since helium atoms have lower mass than either oxygen molecules or nitrogen molecules in air, the helium balloon is lighter. A balloon inflates because of Avogadro's law. The person blowing into the balloon is inputting a lot of gas particles so that the balloon increases in volume. For my experiment, I will be using Royal and Coke. This will be my least reacted and this will be my most reacted. I will be using a balloon, a soda, and Mentos. The first will be, I will be putting the Mentos inside the balloon.
The soda will be bubbly because of the carbon dioxide that had been pumped to the bottle under high pressure, and when it combines to the Mentos, the reaction occurs.
After, I will put the balloon into the soda. So as you can see, both of our soda are now ready. So we will put the Mentos inside.
This reaction occurs because the structure of the Mentos is porous, which makes the surface very rigid and increases the surface area of the Mentos, which creates bubbles inside that allows the carbon dioxide bubbles to rapidly form on those pore sides of the surface of the Mentos.
And the other one.
This reaction also occurs because the addition of Mentos decreases the solubility of carbon dioxide, which causes the volume of carbon dioxide to increase because the carbon dioxide gas molecules are being produced. Therefore, it shows Avogadro's law because more moles of gas increases the volume of the gas. A 4-liter balloon filled with hydrogen gas contains 2.80 mole of hydrogen. Assuming constant temperature and pressure, how many moles of hydrogen must be added to obtain a final volume of 22.0 liters? In this equation, we will be using the formula V1 over N1 is equals to V2 over N2, we will just put the given into the given formula. 4.0 liters over 2.80 mol is equals to 22.0 L over N2. Now we will be substituting the variable 2.80 mol times 22.0 L over 4.0 L cancel out L is equals to 15.4 mol.